Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is Akib Shahzad. So, dear, today we are going to discuss the Rotary Peace Scholarship Program, that is 2023 to 2024, a fully funded program. The Rotary Peace Fellowship has announced the Rotary Peace Scholarship Program 2023 to 2024. They are now accepting application and participants will be able to study in any of the Rotary partners countries. Each year they award 130 scholarship. The Rotary Peace Scholarship is a fully funded scholarship for international students to study a full-time master degree program or a certificate program at one of the top universities of the world. This is one of the most prestigious scholarship opportunities. The scholarship will cover all the expenses. Rotary Peace has given more than 1,500 fellowships till now. A total of 50 scholarships for the master degree program and 80 for certificate degree program. The duration of the master scholarship is 15 to 24 months and 3 months for short certificate program. No restriction on nationality. All students from all around the world can apply for the Rotary Peace Scholarship program. You will complete your study at one of the partner university of Rotary Peace Fellowship in USA, in Japan, UK, Australia, Sweden, Thailand or Uganda. There is no application fee required to apply for this scholarship program. The full details and information about the Rotary Peace Scholarship program is given below. The details about Rotary Peace Scholarship program, that is scholarship countries are USA, Japan, UK, Australia, Sweden, Thailand and Uganda, and degree level master degree and short certificate program. The duration is 24 months for master degree program and 3 months for short certificate program, and financial coverage fully funded, and a deadline is 15 May 2022. Financial coverage: full tuition fees and fees, a full room and accommodation and board, and round trip airfare transportation, all internship and field study expenses. The Rotary Master Scholarship will be offered in the following countries: University of Queensland in Australia, University of Bradford in England, and International Christian University in Tokyo, Japan, Uppsala University in Sweden, and Duke University and the University of North Carolina, USA. The Rotary Peace Certificate Program is in Thailand and Uganda. Eligibility criteria: be proficient in English, have a bachelor degree, have a strong commitment to cross-cultural understanding and peace as shown through professional and academic achievements and personal or community service. Potential for leadership: have at least 3 years of full-time experience in peace or development work. You are not eligible if you are an active Rotary member, employee of a Rotary Club, Rotary International or the Rotary entity. Eligibility for certificate program: necessary work experience, be proficient in English, have a bachelor degree, have a strong commitment to cross-cultural understanding and peace as shown through professional and academic achievements and personal or community service. Demonstrate leadership skills, be able to explain how they plan to promote peace aligned with Rotary mission. Required documents: application require a resume, academic and professional recommendations, essay, transcript, social impact plan for certificate only, and a test score required for master only. All material must be in English language. The deadline is 15 May 2022. And how to apply? So go to the official website of the Rotary. The official login page. So first of all, you have to register yourself, log in as applicant. So go to register. You have to put your email here, your password, your confirm password, your first name, your last name, then register yourself. And after registering yourself, you have to simply log in here. I register myself, going to log in my account. Yes, save it. So guys, this is my application form. 2023 Rotary Peace Fellowship Program is in progress. So go to edit. Go to qualification and eligibility. This is the determining eligibility for the Rotary Peace Fellowship Program. Determine your eligibility and qualification. So how many years of full-time work experience do you have as relevant in the field of peace and development? 3 years, yes, it is necessary. You must have 3 years of experience. Have you ever been a member of Rotary Club members? No. Is your mother or father the legal guardian, grandparents a member of Rotary Club? No. Have you ever worked as an employee of a Rotary Club? No. Have you ever completed the Rotary Peace Fellowship? No. Are any of the following countries your home country? No, none of these. Do you have a bachelor degree? Yes. Are you proficient in English reading, writing, listening, speaking? Yes. Save, and after that save and continue it. So candidate certification. So you have to put your signature here, your date, and then after that go to save and next. Your personal information. You have to put your personal information here, your first name, your middle name, your last name, your date of birth, your country of citizenship, and other information. What is your gender identity? What are your pronouns? Home phone number, mobile phone number, email address, city, your state, province, your country, and postcode. And after that, go to save and next it, and program selection. Please select which Rotary Peace Fellowship you are applying. So if you are applying for master degree program, then select a master degree program. After that, you have to choose your first preference, your second preference, and after that, go to save and next. Relevant experience. You have to put in this section your relevant experience, and after that, upload as resume here, and then after that, save and next. Your education, in education section, you have to put your education related information. How many institutions of higher education have you attended? One. After that, you have to put your higher education degree name, degree earned, school name, and study of area, date, start date, and all this in simple information. After that, you have to upload in transcript here, and optional, if you have any additional transcript, you can upload here. And after that, save and next. And cross-cultural experience. If you have any cross-cultural experience in any other country, so you have to put your cross-cultural experience here. Have you lived, studied, or volunteered in any other country? Yes. Then after that, you have to put information here: country, city, start date, end date, and duration of stay, and purpose of visit or residence. After that, add experience here, and after that, save and next it. And language. What is your native language and how many non-native languages do you know? So you have to put information here. After that, save and next it. Essay. So you have to put an essay here. Provide a personal statement detailing your demonstrated commitment to peace and international development, as well as your rationale for applying to the 2022 Rotary Peace Fellowship. So that you have to put a very eye-catching essay here, so that you can get a scholarship program. After that, you have to write essay number 2 and essay number 3 and essay number 4 and essay number 5. You have to respond in a very well manner, so that it's look very eye-catching. Go to save and next. Recommendation. You have to put your recommendations here. Recommended title, first name, last name, email address, and send invitation here. And after that, you have to put at least 2 recommenders here. And go to, if you have any Rotary Club recommendation letter, so you have to simply put information here, adding from this. And this is optional. Save and next. In the last section, you have to simply review your application form, qualification and eligible update information here, candidate certification here, personal information here. Guys, you can check here. I didn't put in my information, so that's why it is the field is required. So after putting all this information, the field is full. So guys, this is the whole process. In this way, you can apply for the Rotary Peace Program 2023 to 2024. So don't forget to apply for this scholarship program. They are offering 50 scholarship program for master degree program and 80 certificate program. If you are eligible, then must apply for this Rotary Peace Fellowship program. And if you are not eligible, then share it with your friends who are eligible. Thank you so much guys. Take care. Allah Hafiz.